Hello everyone. Today I'm kind of excited about this new mixing bowl set that I got from Costco. This is a 4 mixing bowl set, 18 by 8 stainless steel with clear airtight lids and 3 greater attachments. You got a large bowl, a medium bowl, a small one, and an extra small bowl. This is such a good deal at Costco. It only costs less than $25, about $24 and some change. And it has attachments to it, which is excellent. It has a grate attachment, shred attachment, and a slice attachment. It's made by a company, I'm not sure, but it's MIU. And it has all of these are the measurements of the bowls. It has 1.5 quart, 1.4 liters, and then it has 3 quart, that's 2.8 liters, and 5 quarts, that's 4.7 liters, 8 quart, that's 7.6 liters, and it has 4 lids, 3 greater attachments. And as you can see on the box, this is the attachments. I'm not sure, when I open it I can see what the attachments, what bowl it fits on. But when you come down here, this is the best part I like about it. It's BPA free, it's PFAS free, and it has all of these good things. Not to mention it's stainless steel. So that's, like I said, in our houses we like using stainless steel. But we are going to try to unbox this. We are unboxing our set. Alright, as you take it out the box, this is how it looks. And here is it unboxed some. And it comes, when you open up the box, you have the direction or what's in it, how to open right on top. And this is the lid. It shows you, I guess this is the item number, how to open, and how to close, and press that push back button down the seal. Let's see how all the pieces look. Now I'm going to get some assistance with opening it. This is the top lid. You can see it's so, I love it. BPA free, PFAS free, everything. So we're going to go to see what's inside. So this is in some type of, it just tells you how to open the lids and close them back down, step by step. And put that to the side. And then we are going to unpackage some more. This is the medium lid, I guess, right here. This is the medium lid. As you can see, with the medium lid, it has a little opening in the center. I guess this is where you put the attachments for the, like the grater and the shredder and the slicer. So that's pretty cool. A small medium lid right here. This is the medium small lid, and it has a little thing in the middle, the black part right here with the label on it. All right, we're gonna go to the next one. This is the small bowl, and it has all the attachment, grater and the slicer and the shredder, and it says grater inserts are sharp, handle carefully, do not leave within children's reach. Of course, we know that. So as you can see at the bottom of the bowl, it has a grip. I love these kind of balls. So if you're on a counter and it won't slide off your counter, and it also has the size of the bowl. Excellent. All right, this looks to be another lid right here for the smaller bowl. Or let's take that back. That's not a lid for the smaller bowl. Medium bowl. This is actually a lid for the center of the medium bowl. This is our small medium bowl. Boxing this. This is our bowl. This is the really large bowl. This is a really large bowl, and as you can see, it has printed like measurements on the side. And like you guys, this is all stainless steel. This is our next size bowl. It goes to this size right here, and then it goes to the small bowl. And our lids, this is such a good set, definitely for our fall season, cooking for big, cooking food for large families, baking and all of that. So let's see our attachments. Here is our grater, our shredder, and the slicer. Very, very nice. I love this set. So our next to large bowl is where the shredder lid attachment is. And what you do is you take that middle part off, and then whatever you want to do, like or crabs, you put that into the center, and you grate your cheese. And all three attachments can fit in there. Slicer, and it goes into your next and large bowl. Remember guys, this is from Costco's, less than $25. Get it while it lasts. Makes excellent gifts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.